Looking for the perfect family vehicle for all your needs? Take a look at this 2023 Ford Expedition with me. My name is Felicia and I am located at our Crivitz location. This is going to be an XLT trim package, 20-inch aluminum wheels, running boards, and a 360 camera. This vehicle is perfect with its third row, with the middle row being a bench seat for an extra person. Take a look at the engine. It does have the 3.5 V6 engine with pulling power up to 6,000 pounds. Will come with our lifetime powertrain warranty for as long as you own the Expedition. Seeing as it is a Max, you'll have more room back in the back. The third row is powered for up and down for easy access. Taking a look at the middle row, like I said, it is a bench. Your passengers can control their own heat and air as needed. Why is the Expedition so great? It adds comfort. It is the best family vehicle. With the XLT, you will get heated seats, cooled seats, and a heated steering wheel, and a massive screen to play on as well. On the screen, you'll have navigation, you'll have Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and of course, Sirius XM. Speaking of Sirius XM, that'll be free for your first 3 months. The Expedition also does have Pro Trailer Assist and does have a trailer brake as well. This vehicle is 4-wheel drive, something you can lock in place as well. It does have adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring, and it also does have pre-collision assist. This vehicle also does have memory driver seating up to 3 people. This vehicle does come with a panoramic sunroof, remote start, Ford Pass modem, and of course it is a push to start. If the 2023 Ford Expedition is something you are looking for, you can reach me at 715-854-7404. Again, this is Felicia over at Witt Ford in Crivitz.